I would like to wish one and all today the face of Melody Simon, Sargang Purbi, every Goan and all the Mapshekar especially. And so Korean Falamche Lare Deviche Zatra asa. There will be Soglang Pratek Goenkarang and all the people. I would like to wish Zatrachi Undanit Purbi.
सर एक महत्वाचा प्रश्न म्हणल्यार काल जे वास्को तो कोण गौतम म्हणून आसा त्यांनी गोयच्या साहेबा बद्दल अपशब्द वापरले हेचेर तुमची कितें प्रतिक्रिया आसा कितें दिसता?
In fact, I condemn that gentleman by name Gautam Khattar. ताणें तो स्टेटमेंट केलें न्हू तें बरोबर न्हू and it was quite shocking and disgraceful. A person from outside comes here and tries to hurt the sentiments of each and every Goan. Hanger कितें जाता आमचे गोंयचो साहेब St. Francis Xavier. He is today respected by each and every all the communities. जावं आमचे हिंदू भाव भयण, आमचे Catholic भाव भयण, Muslim, everyone goes there, for the festival and it's happening over the years. And how कोण आयला and नाकाले statement केले तो बरोबर न्हू. So in fact, I am very happy to know that Honorable CM has made a very categorical statement saying that in fact he has already filed the FIR. Not only that, strict action has to be taken. A person like this to be arrested, and hereinafter whoever any speakers that come from outside, they should know the sentiments and the history of Goa. But Goa is a very small place, and the bonding of all the communities is very, very strong here. So it is not like and the other states. Maybe others are very big, but in Goa this is not tolerated. And I strongly condemn this, and whatever action or CM is taken, I'm very about it. Strict action will be taken, and this person should be taken to task. And hereinafter, we should make sure that no Goans whoever come and go, they should not, take this seriously, because yes, of course, it hurts the sentiments, as I said, of all the communities. But people like this should be told, brief, whenever they're making any speeches, that they should not talk on religion or any other thing when it comes in the state of Goa.
सर काल जो स्टेटमेंट केलो तेन्ना एक आमचो गोयचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर मोविन गुदिनो बी थंय आसलो पूण तेणी काय हे करूंक ना हेचेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
In fact, it is surprising. In fact, of course, केन्ना कितें कोण उलयता केन्ना मोडून बसून ताका डिस्टर्ब करप हे करप. Maybe at that point of time he was a little sort of, but of course, I'm sure that Honorable Minister Movin would have definitely the way he spoke or whatever. I don't know whether he was paying attention to it, but in fact, it would have been a very nice of him to, actually stop him at that point of time or, whatever. But any which ways, I'm definitely not even Mervyn, even of the Sankalp Badloti, MLA Sankalp. I think Daiji also was there. In fact, they all our MLAs were there. They should have actually, condemned this. They will definitely condemn this, but somehow they should have made a categorical statement and stop the gentleman from making statements like this, which is absolutely absurd.